What if the future of home design isn't about bigger rooms, sharper lines, or more technology, but about creating spaces that feel deeply human? In 2026, architecture is quietly returning to something timeless: comfort, connection, nature, and meaning. From warm minimalism to intelligent spaces, these 10 trends are redefining how we live and reminding us that the most beautiful home is the one that feels like yours. Minimalism is becoming softer in 2026. Instead of cold white walls and empty rooms, designers are embracing warm wood, textured fabrics, earthy tones, and gentle lighting. Imagine walking into a living room where sunlight touches oak flooring and a linen sofa invites you to stay a while. The lesson is simple: remove visual clutter, but never remove warmth. Choose fewer pieces with more character. Nature is no longer something we simply decorate with. It is becoming part of the architecture itself. Large windows frame gardens, indoor trees soften corners, and natural stone connects interiors with the landscape outside. A simple decorating tip is to layer greenery at different heights rather than filling every surface. The result feels calm, organic, and almost like bringing a quiet morning garden indoors. The boundary between home and garden is disappearing. Sliding glass walls, covered patios, outdoor kitchens, and continuous flooring allow everyday life to flow naturally outside. Picture a family dinner beginning beneath warm pendant lights and continuing under the evening sky. When planning your own space, create visual continuity with matching materials and colors. It makes even a modest home feel remarkably expansive. In 2026, authenticity matters. Architects are celebrating materials that reveal their natural character. Weathered timber, handmade tile, limestone, clay plaster, and softly textured stone. These surfaces carry imperfections that mass-produced finishes often lack. Think about how an old wooden table becomes more beautiful with every scratch and memory. Choose materials that age gracefully, because a home should become more personal, not less beautiful with time. Technology is becoming more sophisticated, yet less noticeable. Smart lighting adjusts throughout the day, shades respond to sunlight, and climate systems quietly maintain comfort without dominating the room. The goal is not to make a home look futuristic, but to make everyday life easier. Keep technology visually discreet, hiding controls whenever possible. The smartest home may be the one where you barely notice the technology at all. Modern homes are learning to adapt as our lives change. A dining area can become a workspace, a guest room can transform into a reading retreat, and built-in furniture can reveal hidden storage. Instead of dedicating every room to one purpose, think in layers. A beautiful bench with concealed storage, for example, can provide seating, organization, and personality without sacrificing valuable space. The kitchen is becoming less like a showroom and more like the heart of the home again. Warm cabinetry, natural stone counters, vintage-inspired lighting, and comfortable seating create spaces designed for gathering. Consider adding one sentimental element, a favorite piece of pottery, an antique cutting board, or an open shelf of treasured dishes. These small details turn a functional kitchen into a place filled with memory. Luxury in 2026 is becoming quieter. It is found in craftsmanship, proportion, natural light, and materials that feel wonderful beneath your hands, not simply in expensive decoration. A beautifully detailed doorway or perfectly positioned window can create more impact than an entire room of flashy furniture. When decorating, invest in a few timeless elements and allow negative space around them. Elegance often comes from knowing when to stop. Homes are increasingly being designed around how they make us feel. Soft daylight, peaceful bedrooms, acoustic materials, natural ventilation, and private corners encourage rest and restoration. Imagine waking to filtered morning light instead of harsh overhead illumination. When designing your own bedroom or retreat, prioritize softness, simplicity, and layered lighting. Your home should not only shelter you from the outside world, it should help you recover from it. Perhaps the most meaningful trend of all is the return of personality. Perfectly coordinated interiors are giving way to homes that tell stories through artwork, heirlooms, handmade objects, books, and pieces collected over time. A home should not look like it came from one catalog. Mix old and new, polished and imperfect, modern and sentimental. The most memorable spaces are not perfect, they are personal. As architecture moves forward, perhaps the greatest lesson of 2026 is surprisingly simple. Technology can make a house smarter, but emotion makes it a home. The future belongs to spaces that welcome us, calm us, connect us with nature, and hold the stories of our lives. Here at LUMACASA Studio, we believe beautiful design is not just something we see. It is something we feel. If these ideas inspired you, stay with us for more homes, spaces, and design stories that make modern living feel a little more beautiful.